Hey everyone on YouTube, this is a quick video review of my Dingwall ABZ 4. So it's a 4-string Dingwall. This comes with the satin finish in indigo burst on a swamp ash body with a maple neck. It's passive. It comes with Dingwall's custom shop, custom hip shot tuners, custom Dingwall pickups. In terms of the tones, it's got a 4-way pickup selector, which gives you the majority of your options, giving you bridge, parallel, series, or the neck pickup, and then the tone control, traditional for a passive circuit. In terms of the tones, I'm just going to run you through some of the best tones I've found really running this bass. So this is kind of just the bridge pickup, soloed, with the tone pretty much full on. I'll roll it just back a slight bit, but this is the kind of thing you can expect. So it's quite nice for the kind of the nippier kind of stuff. Then we've got the parallel here, which gives a mid scoop, which I found has helped for more slappy kind of stuff. So had to play slap part for a musical, so I just used, the only difference I had in my tone was switching to this parallel mode, which scoops the mids and gives you a bit more treble. So funk and kind of things like that, it's great. This is rolled all the way up. Then I'll move on to the series. So this is both pickups in series. This will give you more, this will push the mids up a lot. It's more aggressive. I think it sounds really good for, I used it for rock and those kind of driving pick lines, those kind of things, to just give you an idea. And that's with a treble up, and then roll it back, gives you a kind of fatter, rounder sound. And then finally the neck pickup. It's kind of an approximation of a P bass, so I roll it back for kind of jazzy kind of numbers where you're kind of mimicking double bass, that kind of thing. Just trying to keep it solid and round at the bottom. In terms of the bass itself, I really love it. I've had it for 2 years. Bought it from Mark at Bass Direct in Warwick. Maybe more than that now, actually. I just really like it. It's a great bass. I don't think I'd ever part with it, because I think one of the great things about the satin finish is you can give it a knock or two, and it holds up a lot better than the gloss finish. So if it does get knocked, which it does on gigs and things like that, I just colour it in really. And yeah, this is my main stage bass if I've got anything that's rock or anything that I need to take out somewhere that I'm not sure. And I only need a 4-string. The fan frets, and the whole different scale lengths is a great thing, I think, in my opinion. I found that the tension across strings means that the difference between the open A and the closed A is very little, particularly when you put it into series. Just to give an example, which is really great for recording, and when you want to get a really consistent sound, makes it a lot easier, particularly with anything where you're crossing strings. You need to use the open string to help you out. So overall, I think it's a great bass, and I think it's a great value for the money. And that if you're considering anything in the same ballpark, it's worth checking out, because I think it's an instrument above the Fenders and anything else at the same kind of price. If you want to check out any more of my videos, they can be found at TJS Bass. That's my channel. Please feel free to subscribe if you liked what I do, and there's going to be more Dingwall videos coming soon, as well as my amps, so TC Electronic stuff, maybe a few pedals, and a few run-throughs of various things. So thank you very much. Hope to see you around.